Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Writesonic from macOS browser extensions, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Writesonic from your macOS browser extensions, first, open your web browser. If you're using Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools, then click on Extensions. You will see a list of all installed extensions. Locate the Writesonic extension in the list. Once you find it, click the Remove button. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the extension. Click Remove again to confirm. If you are using Safari, open Safari on your Mac. In the top menu bar, click on Safari, and then select Preferences. Navigate to the Extensions tab in the Preferences window. Find the Writesonic extension in the list of installed extensions. Select the Writesonic extension, then click the Uninstall button. Confirm the uninstallation if prompted. If you are using Firefox, open Firefox on your Mac. Click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Add-ons and Themes. Click on Extensions in the left sidebar. Find the Writesonic extension in the list of extensions. Click the three dots next to the extension name and select Remove. Confirm the removal when prompted. After uninstalling Writesonic from your browser, it's a good idea to restart your browser. This ensures that all changes take effect properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.